we are here in Poblacion Church. Before we will start, let me introduce myself first. I'm Sarah Mialgosa and this is my group mate.
I'm Tamayo Gian.
And I am DJ Abago.
Mangita taymig random people nga mong interviewon about subject-verb agreement. So let's go! Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Hindi nga may interview.
Pwede.
So, the question is, the dog blank loudly. Letter A, bark. Letter B, barks.
Letter B, barks.
Letter B is correct.
Guys, tangita may mga i-interview kay wa pa mi nakitaan.
Oh,
Isa pa mo nakitaan guys. Balik na bye.
The cats blank all day. A. Sleep. B. Sleeps. A. Sleep. Correct.
Question is, the bird blank beautifully. Letter A, sing. Letter B, sings.
A na lang siya. A.
Correct. Thank you. The question is, my friend blank coming over. Letter A is, letter B, are.
Answer is A.
Correct.
He blank to school every day. A. Walk. B. Walks.
Walks.
Correct.
Okay.
Flowers are blank sweet. A, smell. B, smells.
A. Smells.
Correct. Thank you.
Question is, my sister blank gracefully. A. Dance. B. Dances. A. Correct.
Thank you.
Is the children blank in the park. A, run. B, runs.
A. Wrong.
Okay, correct. Thank you, Kaya. Question is, they blank soccer. Letter A, play. Letter B, plays. A daw yung answer. Correct.
Thank you.
The question is, she blank a book. A, read. B, reads.
Letter B. Reads.
Correct. Is the students are blank hard. A, study. B, studies. A is correct. The team blank the game. A, win. B, wins. B is correct. Question is, the trees are blank tall. A, grow. B, grows.
A.
Okay, correct. Thank you.
Question is, the car blank fast. A. Go. B. goes.
B.
Correct.
Is the sun blank bright. A, shine. B, shines. B. Correct.
The question is, the book blank on the shelf. A. R. B. is. A. Correct.
The pencils blank sharp. A, R, B, is.
Letter A. R.
Okay, thank you. Is the news blank good. A, S, B, R. A. Correct. Question is physics blank difficult. A is, B, R. So, the answer mo.
A.
Okay,
Is.
very good.
Question is, mathematics blank my favorite subject. A. S. B. R.
A.
Correct.
Salamat. Question is the police blank investigating. A is, B, R. B. Correct. Question is the scissors blank dull. A is, B, R.
B.
Of birds blank south. A, fly. B, flies.
B.
Correct.
The grocer's blank turn. A. S. B. R.
D.
Correct.
Yeah!
My glasses blank broken. A is, B, R. B. Correct. A group of students blank protesting. A is, B, R. I think B, R. Correct. The question is, the committee blank decided. A has, B have.
A. Has.
Correct. The question is either the cat or the dogs blank outside. A is, B, R.
I think B.
Okay, correct. The question is not only the students but also the teacher blank late. A was, B where. B. Correct. Each of the students blank a book. A has, B have.
A. Has.
Correct. Okay, pwede na mabisaya. Okay, ang question sir kay both the principal and the vice principal blank attending. A is, B, R. Si answer mo.
B.
Correct.